संजू,
वो तो अमेरिका में बैठी है, उनको कुछ भी नहीं मालूम है।
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, मैं सवाल पूछने दीजिए। संजू, लेट मी आस्क द क्वेश्चन. संजू, my question to you. Okay, the question is that, okay, granted that there are trouble, allied trouble for the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi between the Congress and the Uddhav Sena, between the Congress and the Samajwadi Party, but how does it take away from the fact that there is an element of anti-incumbency within Maharashtra for the Mahayuti and some element of allied trouble for the BJP as well?
You know, first and foremost, let me make this very, very clear. I did not heckle Mr. Kishore Tiwari even once. I have been sitting absolutely quietly waiting for my turn patiently.
Yes,
so Mr. Tiwari, I request you to not take personal jibes at me, not make personal comments. Whether I'm sitting in America or even if I'm sitting on Jupiter or Mars, I can handle the lights.
So long as there is connectivity, we are fine. So long as there is data, we are fine. Okay. Sanju, go ahead.
Yes. Yeah. मैं जुपिटर पर भी बैठी होंगी ना, तो आप जैसों को मैं मुंह तोड़ जवाब दूंगी. शांत हो जाइए और सुनिए. अभी बीच-बीच में.
Sanju, focus on the question that I asked. Okay. Go ahead.
Yes. I'm coming. Abhishek, I request you to also show some patience. Don't get so rattled. The moment
I'm not rattled. It becomes a personal conversation. That's what I'm stopping. Please go ahead, Sanju.
Yes, I did not make this personal, so please let me have.
I stopped Kishore Tiwari when he interrupted Ms. Susi Ben.
Yes. Please, can I speak, Abhishek?
Please go ahead.
The first and the most important point is this. As they say in English, success has 100 fathers and failure has none. The reason I'm quoting this is simply to draw the attention of your viewers to the fact that post the Haryana debacle, everybody and everybody's uncle is showing the mirror to the Congress party. So for anyone who's sitting here on national TV and waxing eloquent about how the Mahavikas, or should I say the Mahavinash Aghadi, all is kosher and all is hunky-dory, you're simply fooling yourself and living in La La Land. And I'll tell you why. Forget about the fact that Abu Azmi said he initially wanted 6 to 7 to 8 seats. And if not, given that number, he will contest 25 seats on his own, which is what Susi Ben Shah also just reinforced. But the more important point is this. Look at the likes of Sachin Sawant of the Congress. He's been in Congress for ages in Maharashtra. And now out in the open saying, I do not want to contest from Andheri West, which is the seat that he has been allotted. He says, I want to contest from Bandra East. Now, how is the NVA going to give Bandra East to Sachin Sawant? Because Bandra East की सीट तो महाविकास अघाड़ी ने वरुण सरदेसाई को दे दी है, from where Zishan Siddiqui of the Mahayuti is going to fight. So the first point is, within the Congress, the knives are out for the top leadership because people on the ground like Sachin Sawant are unable to get their voice heard with the likes of Anana Patole or Varsha Gaikwad or for that matter Balasaheb Thorat, and that is leading to a lot of angst within the ranks in the Congress. Now, on the one hand, you have a lot of problems within Congress. On the other hand, you have problems within Uddhav Sena and Sharad Pawar. You know, a couple of months back, there's this video which went viral on Twitter where Uddhav Thackeray has gone to the residence of Sharad Pawar and Sharad Pawar says, Tikade thamba. Tumi tikade thamba. Just go outside and wait. And what does Uddhav Thackeray say? Ahe. Mi bajula ahe. Mi bajula thamba. I mean, in my broken Marathi, what I could understand was, Sharad Pawar basically told Uddhav Thackeray, I don't have the time to meet you, go and wait outside. And Uddhav Thackeray very timidly said, yes sir, आपकी जो आज्ञा हो मैं बाहर खड़ा करके आपका इंतजार कर रहा हूं. That is the kind of treatment meted out to Uddhav Thackeray by Sharad Pawar, one of the so-called staunch allies of the NVA. Now let's come to some important seats. Look at Anushakti Nagar. In Anushakti Nagar, the Mahayuti has fielded Nawab Malik's daughter, Sana Malik. Anybody who understands Maharashtra politics knows that Nawab Malik has a kind of a Bahubali type of presence in Anushakti Nagar for the longest time. Now, there are rumors that Nawab Malik might contest as an independent from Mankhurd Shivaji Nagar. That is besides the point.
Okay, Sanju.
Mahayuti Sana Malik, against Mahayuti Sana Malik, who has the NVA put forward? They have put forward Fahad Ahmed, the husband of Swara Bhaskar. I'm sure he does not even know the spelling of Anushakti Nagar. He's never visited Anushakti Nagar even once in the last 5 years. He was sitting all this time in Aligarh. He was a member of the Samajwadi Party. Abhi haal hi mein 48 hours back, he's joined the Sharad Pawar faction and he says, oh, मैं तो Anushakti Nagar से जीतूंगा. So the limited point is in Maharashtra, which is a very complex state.
It is very complex.
Micromanagement matters. And Anushakti Nagar,
it is West, Sanju. Let me get in now.
These are just small examples.
A follow-up question to you. Coming to you, Ms. Susibet. Coming to you. A follow-up question to Sanju. Sanju, you know, Maharashtra is complex and made complex by the protagonists, by all the players on both the sides, the Aghadi as well as the Mahayuti. But Sanju, you did not answer what Kishore Tiwari asked you. Ramdas Athawale is a senior member of the union government. He's a cabinet minister. And he is complaining today that why not share at least one seat with their party? He has met the deputy chief minister and complained. Isn't it a fact that Mahayuti also has allied trouble?
You know, let's be very clear, Abhishek. You know, let's not compare apples with watermelons. Ramdas Athawale has been an integral part of every BJP-led NDA government right from 2014. For the last 10 years, if there is one leader who has always got more than his fair share, it is Ramdas Athawale and his party. And I'm sure that even if there is little bit of kahasuni, that kahasuni will be managed and it will not burgeon into tu-tu meme. यहाँ पर तो छोटी मोटी नोकझोंक हो रही है within the Mahayuti, but NVA में नोकझोंक नहीं हो रही. यहाँ तो पूरी तरह से कहासुनी हो रही है, तू मैंने हो रही है और एक दूसरे की गर्दन पर एक दूसरे के हाथ पहुंच चुके हैं.
Okay.
And I just want to say one thing, just last point.
Quickly.
You know, let's be very honest. The BJP won 105 seats in 2019 Maharashtra Assembly elections. We won 122 seats in 2014. After that, with no offense, who is the chief minister today? It is Eknath Shinde and his faction, which is ruling the roost in terms of the chief ministerial position. So the NVA does not know how to yield an inch, but the Mahayuti knows how to accommodate
okay, point taken.
For the larger interest, for the larger good. And that is what separates Mahayuti from Mahavinash Aghadi.